Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right. Next, this one we change by dy over dx. Next, we can do about factorization by y. Next, we divide both sides by y and s squared plus s dx. I will put on the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So, this one we can put 2x plus 2x plus 1 plus 1. So number 1, I will put this one cone here. This one that is about identities. So we have s plus 1 everything to the power of 2. This one we can do about factorization and we have like this. So this one divided by this one, we have s plus 1 over s. And this one I will put like this. So s divided by s, we have number 1. 1 divided by s, we keep the same. Now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. This one, we have ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s squared plus s, and I will put about c. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.